Okay.
Let me see the picture.
What are you making?
I'm going to show you how to make a milkshake without a blender.
Okay. What do you need to put in first?
First, we put in the ice cream.
Is that in the cup already?
Will you stop making noise?
Well, she won't be at your school. What do you need to make? What do you need to do next?
Then you have to put in milk. Milk. Not funny.
She's okay. Just ignore her.
She keeps burning my ears every
I know.
single time she does it.
Can you take it in the playroom? Take it in the playroom. Okay. Now what are you doing next?
Next, you can put in the chocolate only if you want to.
Oh, okay. I want to.
Me too, I love chocolate.
Whoa, that seems like a lot.
You can have as much chocolate as you want.
Mm.
It's so yummy if you want tons.
Okay. And now what?
Now, you stir.
Oh.
Gee, I got a lot of milk. You need that straw, okay, Dad?
I'm looking for it. I don't know where they are.
No, Dad, they're in there.
In here?
See them anywhere? Oh, that's why you don't see them.
Why?
They're over in this corner.
Oh, there you go.
Look at all that chocolate in the bottom.
Okay. Can I try and show the camera? Ooh, look at that.
Don't pour it out.
Oh, almost.
Don't.
Okay. Now what do you do next?
You got my spoon.
Oh, sorry. Just a little. Is it all mixed up? Okay. What do you say next?
It's all done.
Okay. Can I try it?
Hey. One sip, one sip, one sip.
Mmm. It's delicious.
Your turn, you don't get it. Only one sip.
Is it yummy? Say thank you, Sophia. Can you say thank you, Sophia?
Thank you. And you don't get the ice cream.